check this out. This is really pretty. Spillway here. So up here, let's go up here. Well, this is interesting. All right, so this is Atkinson Lake in Atkinson, Nebraska. You know what? I've been here. Yeah, I've been here because that's a golf course right there. Oh, man. And you can't do it. It doesn't have a boat ramp. Why was this on my list? Let me, I'm gonna drive around. Yeah, this is really pretty. There's the golf course. And I remember coming in here and driving around. And I was disappointed then, and now I'm disappointed now. This is goofy. You know, I've done so many lakes that they all start to blend together after a while. Kind of forget where I've been and what I've done. And there's like Atkinson Park right there. Yeah, let me get back in the car. Let me get back in the car. Let me drive over here. I don't think you're supposed to get on this lake because it's kind of part of the golf course. I'm gonna go over here and check this out. This is goofy. When I pulled up over here, I was like, this looks really familiar. All right, yeah, let's get back in the car. All right, so I just talked to a guy that actually works like in the city, kind of the parks department. He says you cannot kayak this lake. It doesn't have a boat ramp. So, man, I wasted time coming here. And I knew that. I'd already been here before. But now I know for sure that you can't swim and you can't get on this lake. It doesn't have a boat ramp. So, anyway, this is beautiful. Look at this. That guy right there in the white truck, that's who I talked to. Super nice guy. And then here's the park. And then if you continue down that road, I believe that goes to the golf course. City of Atkinson. So this dumps into the upper Elkhorn, I believe. Huh, interesting. Yeah, that's cool. Nice little place. Well, I guess I can check this off my list as not done and can't do it. So I'm gonna get back in the car and head to the next one. Big bummer, but you know what? Sometimes this stuff happens. But wow, what a beautiful, beautiful little spillway. Beautiful morning. All right, let's get going.